kú dédé àsìkò yìí ní gbogbo ìtẹ́bá ti láǹfààní láti máa gbọ́ mi láti máa wò mí tó bá fẹ́ dàbí everybody ò gbọ́dọ̀ máa ronú bí everybody lákòókò ẹ wo fọ́nrán yìí.
My mother has 4 sets of twins and they only survive on one.
A good number of us ma fẹ́ mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń pè ní stage 4 cancer. Now the truth is that
I am my daddy's daughter. The only daughter.
Several people saying different things. There's one baba somewhere. There's one mama somewhere. There's a
wọ́n ti lọ ra àwọn materials ẹ̀ wá pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ processing lórí ẹ̀.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ pé ó dọ́jà ní èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo ìyẹn mọ̀ mí sí èmi náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.
ètò tòní lórí ìkànnì tí a wà yìí ni mo fẹ́ fi jẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ bó ṣe ń lọ. Mo fẹ́ fi educate yín lápá kan, mo fẹ́ fi inform yín lápá kan, mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ fi entertain yín ìyẹn tí ẹ bá rí entertainment yọ nínú ẹ̀. Ẹ ṣé ní gbogbo ìgbà àjọṣepọ̀ ní bàjẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń fìfẹ́ hàn sí ìkànnì yìí. Láì dènà pẹ̀lú láì fi ọ̀pá pọ̀lọpọ̀lọ péjọ. Ọ̀rọ̀ gbajúgbajà òṣèré tíátà àgbà ọ̀jẹ̀ tí orúkọ rẹ̀ ń jẹ́ Taiwo Hassan tí ọ̀pọ̀ ènìyàn mọ̀ sí Ogogo ni mo fẹ́ pẹ̀kẹ́lù. Mi ò dẹ̀ pẹ̀kẹ́lù lásán bí kò ṣe nítorí àwọn nǹkan kan tí mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kẹ́ dì mọ́ bí kò ṣe nítorí àwọn nǹkan kan tí mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ bó ṣe ń lọ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ gbajúgbajà òṣèré tíátà yìí. Ẹ̀yin tí ẹ mọ̀ bí tọ́rọ̀ náà ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ kò jẹ́ tuntun mọ́ pé àwọn ọmọ rẹ̀ ló ké gbàjarè síta wípé àwọn nílò olùtọ́jú onírànlọ́wọ́ tó lè bá wọn tọ́jú bàbá àwọn lẹ́yìn tí ilé ìwòsàn sọ wípé àwọn kò lè tọ́jú bàbá àwọn mọ́. Ibi tí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ nìyẹn ohun tí àwọn ọmọ obìnrin méjèèjì fi jáde láti jẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà mọ̀ bí ó ṣe ń lọ. Láti ìgbà náà ni oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ ti wá ń jáde. Dókítà tí ọ̀rọ̀ kàn yànnàná àwọn nǹkan kan lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà lẹ́yìn tí mo dẹ̀ máa ń yànnàná fún yín délẹ̀délẹ̀ dáadáa. Ẹ bá mi like, ẹ bá mi share, kẹ̀dẹ̀ bá mi comment nítorí pé eléyìí gan á tún ṣe àǹfààní fún àwọn èèyàn kan tó lè máa larúkọ irú àwọn kan wọ̀nyí kọjá. Mi ò gbàdúrà wípé kẹ́nikẹ́ni ṣe àìsàn àbí kí ẹnikẹ́ni ní àìsàn jẹjẹrẹ cancer kò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa ṣùgbọ́n ètò tòní á ṣe yín ní orí láti mọ àwọn kankan lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gangan àti wípé kí lè mọ ìhà tí àwọn èèyàn kọ sórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí n dá yín lágara ọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan àkọ́kọ́ tí mo kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ fàyọ ni pé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ṣe ń bá wọn gbé ìròyìn ẹlẹ́jẹ̀ kiri ẹ sì dákẹ́ lásìkò yìí. Kò tí ì sí ohun tí ó jọ ikú lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Taiwo Hassan tí ń ṣe Ogogo adúpẹ́ pé àwọn ọmọ ìtẹ́ ti wá dín bọ́ǹkẹ̀. Ìyẹn jẹ́ nǹkan àkọ́kọ́. Nǹkan ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì òun ni wípé ẹjọ́ kí ló kan ọ̀rọ̀ Tinubu pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ Ogogo lẹ́yìn tí àwọn ọmọ rẹ̀ fi fọ́nrán yẹn léde oríṣiríṣi ni àwọn comment positive one àti negative one. Mi ìgbàgbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí dókítà yẹn sọ mo máa yànnàná ẹ̀ fún ṣùgbọ́n jẹ́ kí n kọ́kọ́ yànnàná eléyìí ká tàn mọ́lẹ̀ sóhun tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí pé ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ eré kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ àdá kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ tá a máa fi bu ẹnu àtẹ́lu ẹnìkan àbí ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ẹ jẹ́ n kọ́kọ́ fìdí rẹ̀ múlẹ̀ pé nǹkan tẹ́ni yìí sọ lélẹ́yìí o ẹ gbọ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí n kà fún yín. Ogogo that was campaigning for Tinubu ṣe ń gbọ́. At this point, nobody should disturb us in this internet space. They should take him to Budillion Ikoyi, to Tinubu's house or Aso Rock Hospital for treatment. Nigeria needs to be wicked for once. Don't pity people that influence votes. Ó mà ṣe o, ikú ló mẹ́ja kákò. Wọ́n ní iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ẹni ló ń tọwọ́ ọwọ́ ẹni bo epo. Nǹkan tẹ́ni yẹn sọ pé ṣèbí Ogogo ń campaign fún Tinubu ní pé ní pọ́ìntì yìí káwọn èèyàn kan má disturb àwọn kí wọ́n gbé lọ sí Budillion ní Ìkòyí àbí kí wọ́n gbé Ogogo lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ Tinubu ní Aso Rock ilé ìwòsàn tó wà níbẹ̀. Wọ́n ní àwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ní láti wicked wọ́n ní láti burú pé kẹ́nikẹ́ni má pìtì ẹni tó ń influence vote. Imagine ẹ̀rí lẹ́yìn tí ọmọ ẹ̀ ẹ̀rí pé lórí comment lórí fọ́nrán ọmọ ẹ̀ ni wọ́n fi comment yẹn sí. Why táwọn èèyàn kan ṣe máa ń ṣe báyìí? Mo tún rí ìròyìn kan ìròyìn ayọ̀ bóyá òótọ́ ni o bóyá irọ́ ni o ṣùgbọ́n èmi gbà wípé ìròyìn ayọ̀ lélẹ̀ jẹ́. Wọ́n ní Senator Solomon Olamilekan Adeola FCA Yayi has facilitated urgent medical attention for Taiwo Hassan Ogogo. He has contacted cancer specialists to attend to him and Ogogo has now been taken to the theater for treatment. We pray for successful procedure, complete recovery and renewed strength for Alhaji Taiwo Hassan Ogogo. Bóyá irọ́ ni o, bóyá òtítọ́ ni o. Ìgbìyànjú ni ìgbìyànjú ń jẹ́. Gbogbo ohun tí ẹ bá rí sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi fi ránṣẹ́ sí abẹ́ comment section. Mo máa ń tẹnumọ́ wípé ohun tá a parò rí tó fi ń rẹ́rìn-ín làgbẹ̀ kan rí tó fi ń sunkún. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ tí èèyàn kan lè fi wá máa fi ta yín. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá rántí Taiwo Hassan àgbà òṣèré ni ẹ mọ̀ ẹ máa rántí nígbà kan náà irú nǹkan wọ̀nyí ti ṣẹlẹ̀ Ọlọ́run dẹ́jẹ́ ó jẹ́ kó borí àwọn ogun wọ̀nyẹn. Ó ti wá délẹ̀ báyìí kí ló wá dé tí àwọn èèyàn kan wá ń gbé ìròyìn ẹlẹ́jẹ̀ kiri kí ló dé táwọn èèyàn kan ṣe wá ń bọ ẹnu àtẹ́lù torí wọ́n rí pẹ̀lú olóṣèlú. Kí lẹ fẹ́ sọ sí ìgbésẹ̀ tí ìyá yìí gbé yìí? Nǹkan tí dókítà sọ ó wà very important láti mú wá sí etí gbọ̀nyìn. Ó dẹ̀ ṣe pàtàkì fún àwọn ènìyàn láti gbọ́ nítorí nǹkan wọ̀nyí ó tún lè ran ẹlòmíì lọ́wọ́. Mo dẹ̀ ní ẹnìkan náà tó jẹ́ àgbà elétò ìlera ni. Nítorí ẹ̀ mo ṣe sọ pé ètò tòní mo wá láti wá inform yín láti wá educate yín ní kẹ́ lè mọ bó ṣe ń lọ. Kì í ṣe torí èní, it's not about viewers, it's about nǹkan tẹ́ máa learn, it's about nǹkan tẹ́ máa rí dìmú nínú ètò eléyìí. Ó kọ̀ dùn ní wípé nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ Ogogo ni gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣe wá ń jáde. Okay, ẹ jẹ́ kí n kà fún yín. Doctor clarifies palliative care after Ogogo's daughters claim hospital refused treatment. A doctor, Olushina Ajidahun, has spoken on claims by the daughters of veteran Yoruba actor Taiwo Hassan, popularly known as Ogogo, that hospital have refused to continue treating their father, who is battling stage 4 cancer. Dókítà Olúṣínà yìí jáde láti wá tan ìmọ́lẹ̀ sí ọ̀rọ̀ tí àwọn ọmọ Ogogo sọ wípé ilé ìwòsàn wọn kọ̀ láti tọ́jú Ogogo tí ń ṣe àgbà ọ̀jẹ̀ òṣèré tíátà Yorùbá ẹni tí ó fi gagbága pẹ̀lú stage 4 cancer. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni yẹn sọ. The doctor, identified on X as the bearded Dr. Shina, said the daughter's description of their father's treatment could be misunderstood, particularly their claim that hospitals had refused to treat him. Wọ́n ní wọ́n ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ náà gbé fúnra wọn ni pé àwọn kọ̀ láti tọ́jú ẹ̀ kì í ṣe pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọ̀rọ̀ ṣe rí tààràtà. Ẹ má bá mi lọ. Reacting to the development on Monday, he explained that patients with stage 4 cancer may be moved to palliative care after chemotherapy, and other available therapies have been explored. Wọ́n ní láti gbé wọn lọ sí palliative center after tí wọ́n bá ti rí pé ibi tí ọ̀rọ̀ dé dúró yìí o kò sí ohun tá a tún lè ṣe ju kí wọ́n tún wá ọ̀nà àbáyọ míì lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àrùn jẹjẹrẹ cancer yìí. Ẹ wá gbọ́. He wrote, "They don't want to treat my father again. This is a dangerous statement and can set the tide against the medical team treating her dad." Ṣètìgẹ́tì. Wọ́n ní ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lágbára kì í ṣe pé àwọn ò fẹ́ tọ́jú Ogogo. Kódà orú ọ̀rọ̀ tí arábìnrin yìí sọ ó lè dá nǹkan lẹ̀. Ẹ wá gbọ́ nǹkan tí dókítà yìí sọ. When patients have stage 4 cancer and chemo and or other therapies have been explored, there is a form of care called palliative care, which is end-of-life care and care for terminal diseases, because at the point of the diseases, you cannot treat it, but you can manage associated symptoms and give the person a good quality of life before death. Wọ́n ní eléyìí jẹ́ ohun tí wọ́n lè fi tọ́jú ẹni náà kí n kò summarize ẹ̀ kó lè ní ìgbé ayé tó nítumọ̀ kó tó jáde kúrò láyé. Okay, according to him, describing the situation as hospital refusing to treat the actor would create a negative perception of healthcare workers and potential trigger hostility against medical professionals. Wọ́n ní tí wọ́n máa sọ pé wọn ò lè tọ́jú wọn mọ́ eléyìí lè fa nǹkan lẹ̀ láàrin àwọn àjọ elétò ìlera. Ní pé kì í ṣe pé àwọn fẹ́ tọ́jú Ogogo. Saying they don't want to treat my father makes it look like they are intentionally rejecting him. And in the content of recent happenings in the health sector, it can trigger an insurrection and put a bad label on healthcare workers, he said. The doctor also cautioned the public. Ẹ bá mi gbọ́ eléyìí dáadáa o, torí mo máa yànnàná àwọn kankan lápá abẹ́yẹn. The doctor also cautioned the public against recommending herbal remedies for stage 4 cancer, warning that unverified concoctions could cause further complications. lótìtọ́ àti lódodo mo ti rí oríṣiríṣi àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n ti ń jáde lórí pé ẹ wá lo eléyìí fún, ẹ wá ṣe báyìí fún, ìgbà kan ẹ gbé lọ sọ́dọ̀ bàbá kan, ẹ gbé lọ sọ́dọ̀ ìyá kan. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ẹsọ̀ pẹ̀lẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ yìí o. Kì í ṣe wípé kò sí ìbílẹ̀, kì í ṣe pé kò sí nǹkan tí a lè lọ lọ́nà ìbílẹ̀, ṣùgbọ́n we need to tread carefully. We need to tread carefully. He said, mo lérò pé ń bá mi bá lọ, gbogbo ohun tí ẹ bá rí sí ẹ bá ń fi ránṣẹ́ sí abẹ́ comment section. He said, if you have herbs that treat cancer, don't do this. There are no herbs that will treat a stage 4 cancer. Wọ́n ní kò sí egbògi àbí oògùn ìbílẹ̀ kan tó lè treat stage 4 cancer. Ṣé iná gbàgbọ́ pẹ̀lú dókítà yìí? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bá mi fi ránṣẹ́ sábẹ́ comment section. Tẹ́ bá bá mi gbà pẹ̀lú dókítà yìí, ṣé lóòótọ́ ni dókítà yìí mọ nǹkan tó ń sọ? Ẹ bá mi fi ránṣẹ́ sábẹ́ comment section. These concussions will end up damaging more organs and causing more complications. You will end up wasting money and causing more problems. Wọ́n ní ó tún máa dá nǹkan míì sílẹ̀, àwọn èèyàn á tún waste owó. Àwa di wípé nǹkan fẹ́ lágbára sí. Okay, he further explained that stage 4 cancer meant that the diseases are spread beyond organ where it initially developed. Wọ́n ló ti pín káàkiri láti ibi tí ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ gangan. People need to understand that stage 4 cancer means the cancer has left the primary organ and gone to other sites. Your doctor knows what is best, and it is good for you. Okay, and it is good you work hand in hand with the team to give the best productivity. Said gets. He also expressed sympathy for Ogogo's family and said he hoped they would work closely with the medical team treating the actor. I do hope Ogogo's doctor and family see this. Wishing the family all the best throughout the trying times, he added. The doctor clarified that he was not involved in Ogogo's medical care and was commenting independently on the daughter's video. Dr. Konye, tí ó fi èròǹgbà rẹ̀ hàn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Ogogo, kí lẹ̀yin náà rí sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Wọ́n ní ká má lo concussion, ní pé ó tún máa get matter yẹn kó worst sí ni. Gbogbo ohun tẹ́ bá rí sí ìjọba mi fi ránṣẹ́ sábẹ́ comment section. Àdúrà ni Ogogo nílò lásìkò yìí. Àdúrà. And àwọn family wọn need privacy lásìkò yìí. Kì í ṣe àsìkò yìí la máa drag Ogogo nítorí ó ti tẹ̀lé òṣèlú, ó ti tẹ̀lé àwọn olóṣèlú nígbà kan. Kì í ṣe àsìkò yìí la máa fi ọ̀rọ̀ Ogogo bu ẹnu àtẹ́lu Ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu. Kò yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹni tí ò bá lè ràn ẹni lọ́wọ́ òṣàbò lè gbèmí fi mí lẹ̀ bí mo ṣe wà. Mi ní fẹ́ sọ ṣùgbọ́n mo ṣèlérí wípé bó bá ṣe ń lọ nípa ti ètò ìlera Taiwo Hassan Ogogo màmá mo wá sí etí ìgbọ̀nyìn ẹ̀yin èèyàn. Ṣùgbọ́n lásìkò yìí mo rọ̀ yín wípé ohun tá a bá ti wádìí rẹ̀ délẹ̀ dáadáa àtàwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n ń gbé concussion kiri, tí wọ́n ń gbé oríṣiríṣi app kiri, ẹ ṣe ìgbìyànjú náà ni. Ṣùgbọ́n jẹ́ ká wo ibi tí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ń lọ ná. Mo sọ di mímọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan wípé ètò yìí mo fẹ́ fi inform, mo fẹ́ fi educate ni. Ẹlòmíì á máa gbọ́ àìsàn jẹjẹrẹ stage 4 cancer. Báwo gan ni? Ó ṣe wá wọ́pọ̀ lásìkò yìí pé cancer làwọn èèyàn tẹ́ bá rántí Alex Ekubo, àrùn cancer náà ni wọ́n sọ pé ó ṣekú pa. Tèmítọ́pẹ́ Ọ̀ṣọ́bà related nǹkan tó ṣekú pa wọ́n ní àìsàn jẹjẹrẹ cancer yìí náà ni. Now ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu èèyàn kan, àwọn èèyàn 2 sí 3 tí wọ́n bá mi yọ̀nàná àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ wish láti learn nǹkan tàbí ìkejì lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà lẹ́yìn àti ibi tí nǹkan dídú lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Ogogo. Màá fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ẹ bá mi farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ ohun tí àwọn akọ́ṣẹ́mọṣẹ́ yìí, àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n jẹ́ àgbà ọ̀jẹ̀ tí wọ́n sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà lẹ́yìn gangan. Tó bá fẹ́ dàbí everybody, ó gbọ́dọ̀ máa ronú bí everybody. I stand to be corrected. Gbogbo ohun tí ẹ bá rí sí ẹjọ́ ẹ bá mi fi ránṣẹ́ sí abẹ́ comment section. Ó yá, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ darapọ̀ mọ́ wọn.
A good number of us máa fẹ́ mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń pè ní stage 4 cancer. Now, the truth is that tobacco stage cancer ó ní àwọn àǹfààní kankan. Lákọ̀ọ́kọ́, ó máa ń jẹ́ kí a mọ ibi tí cancer yẹn dé, bóyá nínú ara. Because ní ṣókí nǹkan tó ń pè ní stage 4 cancer òun ni wípé cancer yẹn ti kúrò níbi organ which is the primary site, ó ti kúrò ńbẹ̀, ó ti lọ sí àwọn ẹ̀yà ara míì. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí àpẹẹrẹ ṣe mọ̀, dókítà olóbìnrin ni mí. Ká sọ pé cancer cervix ń kó di wípé ó ti wá kúrò ní cervix, ó ti wá lọ sí bóyá bí bladder, ó ti lọ sí ilé ìgbẹ́ lẹ́yìn, ó tiẹ̀ ti lọ sí igbá àyà àbó ti lọ sí brain. Irú àwọn nǹkan tó ń pè ní metastatic cancer nìyẹn stage 4. Àǹfààní míì tó tún wà nínú pé kí wọ́n pe cancer ní stage ẹ̀ òun ni wípé ó máa ń jẹ́ ká lè communicate appropriately ibi tí kinní yẹn dé. Ṣùgbọ́n because tí n bá sọ̀rọ̀ pé stage 4 cancer nìyẹn wà ń bí ní Nàìjíríà, ẹni tó wà ní UK àbí US bẹ́yẹn yóò ti yé ló dẹ̀ ti láìdíà, especially tí èèyàn bá ti mọ primary site. In essence, tó má kàn sọ pé stage 4 cancer kò tí ì sọ ibi tí cancer yẹn wà gangan fún wa. Ṣé ti prostate ni, ṣé ti liver ni, ṣé ti breast ni, àbí orú nǹkan bẹ́yẹn. Now àǹfààní míì náà ni wípé stage yìí náà nígbà míì ó máa ń determine orú treatment tí wọ́n máa lè ṣe fún orú cancer yẹn àbí fún olúwa ènìyàn. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí àpẹẹrẹ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́, wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa pé lọ́spítù wọn padà sọ pé wọn ò ní fẹ́ ṣe chemotherapy fún wọn, which is reasonable fáwọn tó bá gbọ́yé. Nǹkan tó mean ni wípé nígbà míì ara ènìyàn lè má yá láti lè gbé chemotherapy, because ọ̀rọ̀ chemotherapy ń pààyàn, chemotherapy ń ṣàwọn èèyàn léṣe ní àwọn atiláwí tí wọn kì í like modern day medicine fún treatment orú nǹkan báyìí náà máa ń lò against modern day medicine. Wọ́n á ní pẹ́pẹ́sẹ́ chemotherapy ń pààyàn. But nígbà míì wà tó jẹ́ pé chemotherapy yẹn èèyàn ní bùkátà sí látara ewu tí ó máa jáde lára ẹ̀ ó pọ̀ ju àǹfààní ẹ̀ lọ. Nígbà míì náà dẹ̀rẹ́ olúwa ẹni náà ò lè bùkátà sí, bóyá tó bá jẹ́ pé bóyá ẹnìyẹn gangan àlàáfíà ẹ̀ ò lè gba chemotherapy, torí chemotherapy lè further destroy àwọn nǹkan míì, àbí kó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pé stage yẹn gangan ìwádìí ti fi hàn, ẹ̀rí wà pé stage yẹn o chemotherapy ò lè ṣiṣẹ́ fún stage yẹn mọ́. Àpẹẹrẹ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí máa ń mú cervical cancer wá. Tí cervical cancer bá ti dé advanced stage, ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bí stage 2, 3, 4 bẹ́yẹn sókè, a kì í sábà ń lo chemotherapy. Tá bá lo chemotherapy àǹfààní míì la fẹ́ jókòó jẹ. So primary treatment orú yẹn ó máa jẹ́ bí radiotherapy. So nídìí yẹn wọ́n sì fúnyàn ní treatment tó bá yẹ kán fúnyàn. Ṣùgbọ́n most importantly, another reason tó ṣe máa ń stage ó include nǹkan tó ń pè ní kán fi prognosticate, kán fi mọ ìwòye bí àlàáfíà ènìyàn ṣe lè tó, bí idea bí number of years àbí number of bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyẹn ṣe lè tún ṣe in the next couple of years, ṣó yé wa ṣá. So nídìí èyí Ọlọ́run fún gbogbo wa lálàáfíà, èèyàn ní cancer gbogbo wa la máa kú. Ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tó dájú ni wípé tá bá ti ń gbọ́ orú àwọn nǹkan báyìí ká máa lò ó fún àǹfààní láti kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nínú ẹ̀. Oríṣiríṣi èèyàn ó máa béèrè pé kí ni àwọn preventive ways tó wà fún cancer. A lè má lè prevent cancer tán yányán, ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀pọ̀ nínú wọn náà a lè gbìyànjú tiwa. Primary prevention wà, health education, gbogbo nǹkan tá a ti máa ń gbọ́ ká máa mú lò. Then secondary ó include screening. Ẹlòmíì báyìí wọ́n ní kó lọ screen kò ní screen, wọ́n ní wọ́n ń ṣe igbá kan níbì kan kò ní lọ. You understand? Then of course the tertiary stage whereby tó bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ tán orú care tán máa ń fún olú ẹnìyẹn. Now another thing tá a ti gbọ́dọ̀ mọ̀ nípa cancer ni pé tó bá ti advance ńgbà míì treatment might not really be helpful in taking care of the cancer itself. Ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo àwọn complications tó lè rọ̀ mọ́, bóyá olúwa ènìyàn ò rí gbẹ̀yà, bóyá olúwa ènìyàn ní pain, bóyá olúwa ènìyàn àwọn behaviours ẹ̀ ti wà abnormal, àbí ká sọ pé olúwa ènìyàn kò lè mí dáadáa, wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa ṣe ìtọ́jú fún àwọn kinní tí wọ́n pè ní end of life care, láti rí wípé by the time tí ènìyàn bá máa padà kẹ́sẹ̀ ńlẹ̀ lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ baba God, á padà lọ pẹ̀lú àlàáfíà or ìrora tí ó pọ̀ dẹ̀ nípa pé àwọn kankan yóò ti lè yanjú ẹ̀ kó tó àsìkò yẹn, ìfẹ́ pẹ̀lú mọ̀lẹ́bí láti lè súnmọ́ Ọlọ́run, àwọn kankan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, àwọn gbèsè kan tíyàn jẹ èèyàn ò lè yanjú ẹ̀, you understand. So abẹ́ Ọlọ́run kó bá wa fún Ogogo ní àlàáfíà tí ó péye. Ọ̀gá.
Hello everyone, my name is Adiola Guru and I'm here to talk about Ogogo, his health, the cancer. Yesterday, we woke up to the news of star actor, veteran actor, our sweet actor that we all love, Ogogo, having stage 4 cancer. I watched the video and it really moved me. And so I shared the story, asking for support, prayers, and everything possible. We watched Ogogo several years ago battle with an unknown ailment. He got so lean and there were speculations everywhere. But luckily he survived it. And to our joy and happiness, he started recovering and then he recovered his weight and everything seemed fine. His life went back to being normal. So this is a very rude shock to everybody who has loved Ogogo, everybody who knows Ogogo, that he has stage 4 cancer. I was woken up this morning by Dr. Taiwo, celebrated journalist who lives in the UK, and I had to quickly do a conference call with Otumba Omotayo Ogunlade because he knows how to get Ogogo. We needed to quickly have that meeting because if care is not taken, after this appeal went out, we have been seeing several people saying different things. There's one Baba somewhere. There's one Mama somewhere. There's a church somewhere. There's a Babalawo somewhere. There's an Afa somewhere. I would like to say this. Before anything like this reaches the public, the general public, I tell you, all these so-called spiritualists would have been involved from the beginning. I have personally taken care of 3 cancer patients. I won't call them patients because I'm not a medical doctor, but as a friend, a family member, I've handled 3 different cases of cancer. The 4th one is what we're managing now. And I'll tell you what we have achieved. The first 2 cases, unfortunately, they went through that same route of one Mama is in Oshobo, one Baba is in Kwara. And they subjected them to a lot of things that I will call criminal. Because you know you are not a medical practitioner and you are taking on cancer cases and giving them things that will make them weaker and that will spoil their chances. Most of the time, before these people got to medical doctors, it was already too late. First of all, we need to know what stage 4 cancer means. Cancer has different stages. If you are lucky and you start seeing some symptoms early, you can actually survive cancer. Stage 1, stage 2. By stage 3, time is running out. What stage 4 cancer means is that it has spread to other parts of the body, the organs. It has started affecting the fast spreading cells and the healthy cells. So by the time you start chemo will try to battle those fast spreading cells. But unfortunately, chemotherapy doesn't separate healthy cells from sick cells. So it attacks everything. What that means is that the body is weak. So what Ogogo is going through now is that his body is beginning to succumb to the cancer cells that are spreading fast and the effect of chemo. Because chemo attacks the organs. You could imagine taking the thing in your body and it's trying to slow down the spread of cancer. But at the end of the day, it's destroying healthy cells too. Is there cure for cancer? Yes. Cancer sometimes goes into remission. That nobody can control. Only doctors can tell you when it has gone into remission. That is when you stop feeling all those symptoms. You stop having them and you are beginning to feel healthy. Some people have had stage 4 cancer and they have survived it. Yes, a lot of people, a lot of times. But in some cases, stage 4 actually means get set. Put your house in order. That's a hard reality. Put your house in order. If there are wills to be written, write them. If there are instructions, do them. But please don't go the route of spiritual people. Yes, people can pray for you because it is only God that heals. Doctors can only try. You can start organizing prayer sessions, but go on with your medication. In Ogogo's case, the doctors have said that they want to stop chemo. They know why. It's because they have seen the effect on his organs, and they don't want a situation where it gets worse, especially in their hands. Dr. Olomo has handled several cases in the UK. He's not a doctor, but he works with doctors. So I think the family should contact him. There is a very good hospital in Surulere here in Nigeria, because Ogogo might not be able to travel abroad now. He might be too weak to endure the long flight abroad. So they should contact Dr. Olomo. There's a place in Surulere, a very good hospital, where there are many oncologists who can advise him on the next steps to take if they cannot continue with chemotherapy. Right now, he needs palliative care. Abroad, they call it hospice, where they can manage him well. And with holistic care, diet, yoga, meditation, and all of that, he can begin to look at his situation in a more psychological way. The thing with cancer is that from the people I've had close contact with while managing their cancers, is that the mind is always very active. It's just that the body is weak. I lost a sister to cancer. I lost a friend, Dayo, to cancer. I lost a dear mother, not my mother, a very dear mother, to cancer. I have a friend who is surviving cancer now. When they told her 2 years ago that she had cancer, she was running everywhere, spiritualists and all that. When she now found out that it had gotten worse, she sought real medical care. She started with chemo. She started taking the right meals. I'm not going to mention those things. It's only a doctor that can advise on the right things to take, because there are different types of cancers. For men, it's usually prostate cancer. And some men are lucky. They start seeing the symptoms. I'll have to talk about this later, because this is very important. Because I have lost 2 dear people to prostate cancer. I wasn't close to them during the management, but I lost them. Elderly people. One was an uncle, one was my dad's best friend. I once celebrated him on Facebook as my oldest friend. We lost him to cancer. But there's a friend going through cancer now, and she's doing very well. We talk, we play together, and I see the radiance on her face now, which is something totally different from what we saw some months back. So for Ogogo, please, I beg you, sir, to the family, because his care is now in the hands of the children or the wives, please don't go the route of spiritualists. Let them pray for you from afar. Do not take anything from them. They are not doctors. They don't know the things that will harm you even more. If they had been praying all these months, I don't know when they first diagnosed the cancer. If their prayers up till now have not done anything for you, there's no way it will do anything. Some people will tell you a rapada. They will tell you a rapada. They will take money from you. The people benefiting more from cancer are these spiritualists too. They will take money from you for cows, for rams, for this and that. Who eats all those things? It is they and their family members who benefits. You give any prophet, babalawo, alpha money, the next thing they are paying their children's school fees. I'm not saying don't believe in them. Maybe there are still very many good ones out there. But the way they have taken you so far, because I can bet that before we got to know, there must have been spiritualists involved, alphas and all that. There are too many crooks out there. Put your house in order. Seek the help of Dr. Dayo Olomo. He knows where he can direct you to, and they will take care of you. Your doctor has tried. Your doctor has not condemned you. He has told you the truth. He cannot continue with chemo. But there are other oncologists who will come together look at your case and manage you well. And cancer, as I said, is not the end of life. It doesn't mean stage 4 cancer means the end. But we should protect him from getting too weak and from the organs getting too weak. May God be with Ogogo. Please, this message should go to his children, to his family. No spiritualists for now. Seek the help of doctors. Call Otumba Omotayo Ogunlade. He knows where the hospital is in Surulere. Dr. Dayo Olomo has told him. Call Dayo Olomo. I'll tag them in this video. Please call them. Thank you so much. And if you have cancer, please cry out so that people can guide you. May God be with Ogogo. May God lead the family so that they will treat him right. They will take care of him. And may their house continue to be in order. I pray. Amen.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ìlú ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ pé ó dọ́jà ní èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí èmi náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.